where did you go? I went to London, don't you know? Pussycat, what did you see? I saw the queen sipping her tea. Meow, 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 meow. I chased a mouse, I don't know how. Meow, 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 meow. The queen just smiled and said, wow. Pussycat, what did you find? I saw a big palace, it blew my mind. There were knights and guards standing tall, and a golden door, the biggest of all. Meow, 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 meow. I chased a mouse, I don't know how. Meow, 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 meow. The queen just smiled and said, wow. And I made a friend, a parrot so bright he could sing and dance, what a funny sight. We played together all around with so many treasures to be found. Pussycat, what fun you had. Yes, I did, and I'm so glad. Next time I'll bring my friends along, and we'll all sing this happy song. Meow, 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 meow. Pussycat had an adventure now. Meow, 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 meow. The queen will wait and take a bow. Pussycat, off you go. More adventures await, you know. With the queen and the castle so grand, there's always more fun right at hand.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आएं तो हमारे चैनल द फैमिली वॉल्ट को सब्सक्राइब करें और नई वीडियोस की अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं।